I made this churro cheesecake. It was so amazing. It was the perfect sweet treat. Let's get into it, you guys. To a mixing bowl, I'm adding 3 softened blocks of cream cheese, a half a cup of sour cream, 3 eggs, a half a tablespoon of vanilla extract, a can of sweetened condensed milk, 1/3 cup of sugar, and a pinch of cinnamon. Mix this until smooth, and then I'm starting on my cinnamon sugar. I used a half a cup of sugar and a half a tablespoon of cinnamon. Mix it up well, and then I sprayed my baking dish with some avocado oil, and then I added my cinnamon sugar. Then I added a crescent roll dough sheet, and then I put my cheesecake filling, another crescent roll dough sheet, and then some cinnamon sugar. I baked this on 350 for about 45 minutes, and then I let this cool in the fridge for about 3 hours before I cut it. This is what it looks like all finished. I topped it with some strawberries and then some more sweetened condensed milk. It was amazing, you guys. Have to try this. Let me know how you like it.